Let's give a hand to Miss Abby Miguel.
That I recently received is a set of guidelines for us to use for this right side. You have the combination of the warm tone colors. So once you compare both sides, you can see different emotions that you feel looking at the images. Third is, we have to be intentional of every colors that we use in our images. Walang aksidente. There's no such thing as, ay, hindi ko nakita. Right? First, they are such an important part of our work as photographers. See, ano pa man, yellow will be yellow, red will be red.
Yes, there's a bit of red. Pero sobrang corny niya to the point that it's
Either can you shift your face, different kinds of textures, different kinds of flowers, light and color.